Oh my God, do we really hit the bottom in the Cape Coral real estate market? Stay tuned. I got the numbers over here as always. So, hey, let's start this report. I know that's what you guys kind of came over here for. Hello, everyone. This is Manny, your pool home realtor. Hope you guys are doing great. Today, I'm going to show you what is going on the real estate market over here in Cape Coral. We already have 3 months of regular, I won't say depreciation, but we'll be in the 400,000, 400,000 for two. And then we're right now we are 404. So yeah, just talking about the market. So if this is the first time on my channel, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and nothing. Hey, if you want to put a comment below, go ahead and do that. So hopefully this information will be beneficial for you. But the question right now is, do we really hit that bottom of the market right now? Gonna show you over here the numbers. Back in April, the medium sell price was 470. Right now we are 404. What I could see over here in the market is 3 months consecutive. That's a trend. So we might be hitting the market. Maybe this is gonna be the bottom of the market. So nothing, guys. Let me show you over here the computer. I know that's what you guys kind of come over here for, and as always, I like to show you, and I don't like to tell you. So before we do that, before we do that, just remember in the description below, I always put links for you guys to search if you guys are searching for homes for sale over here in Cape Coral. So homes for sale in Cape Coral, double check in that description below. I don't sell you information like those national companies do. So right now, for the month of January, 320 properties sold in the area. And from February 1st to yesterday, there was 490 properties were pending in the market. So that would be I would say roughly 299 buyers put offers on property. So the market is moving. So let's see what's going on. What I could gather with everything that have closed right now, we are right now at the 430, but we gotta wait until the end of the year to see. I mean, the end of the year, the end of the month, just to see where we at in that aspect, to see if we keep it moving up or down. So hey, let's come over here in the computer. I want to show you what those numbers look like and what to look for. So hey, stay tuned. All right, guys. So we are over here, January market report, Cape Coral. As you guys see, this is pretty much it. 4-4. We are like 1 point up percent for the close sales. This is the close sales. Now, just remember, when I always talk about this, is month after month. Now we compare almost year over year because of course we are over here. And then in January 2022, we were at 400,000. So as we move closer to February, March, April, and all that, we're gonna be talking about year over year because that's where we're gonna hit the negativity in the media, and a lot of people might say, "Oh yeah, the market's crashing," but this is why. So let's double check the closed sales. Closed sales, as you guys know, we're trending down. We're closing less properties a month. And even though month to month, because we were 32% lower than last year. This is compared to January 2022. So days on the market, as you guys see, have going up dramatically, almost 277% up. So that means that the properties are staying longer on the market. Let me see, list price received. This is, of course, always you put a house $100,000, and they're probably offering you 96,000. So that's 96% of list price. Let me double check over here the inventory levels. They're still low compared to December 2022. We're still a little bit higher than January last year, so we have more inventory now than we did back then. But at the end of the day, a lot of people are still gonna say, "Oh yeah, we are lower inventory," but that doesn't mean nothing if this number over here, month of supply, is high. So we would be at 1,400, and the month of supply would be at 2-3%. That means that there's still a lot of people buying. Right now it's trending up. Well, at least over here it's trending almost as a seller's market. I'm sorry, as a buyer's market because of this line over here. You can see that. Um, Let me fix this up. So it's 4%, 4 months of supply, and I probably will expect this that will go a little bit more up. What that means for you guys, for buyers out there, is that hey, you got a little bit less competition. For sellers, that means that your house is gonna stay longer on the market, and maybe not receive a couple of offers. Now you price the property currently, and your house is really clean and ready to move in. You're probably gonna receive a couple of offers right now. But at the same time, I want to talk about these numbers over here. So this was back in November, so 400,000. Another December, 400,000. And now it's just trending up a little bit more. This past month, interest rate were a little bit low, so a lot of people jumped into the market since the beginning of February. I don't know how that's gonna translate to these next couple of months, but this is what's going to be really important and really interesting is once we go into February, if February closed less than 415,000, we're probably going to start, maybe from me, you guys are going to hear it because I will tell you the truth is, hey, we're a little bit low. We start to seeing those negative. So if March closed less than 400,000, 435, and then maybe stay at the 404, 49, then we probably say, hey, listen, this is probably gonna be the bottom of the market. And then what I think is gonna happen is, and this is just only my opinion, right? So once we hit April and May, so once we are over here, and then we're still at that 404, 405, if we stay no more normal and doesn't go up, like we don't go higher in price or lower in price, then you're probably gonna see that 20% to 17% of decline. If for any reason those numbers came down, let's say for example back in April, we closed the money in April on, I don't know, let's throw a number 370, then that's gonna be really bad because now the media is gonna be telling you guys, even though now, let me get out of here. Um, so even though now with the stuff going out in all the towns in the country, once we hit that peak time of April and May, then June, July, headlines is gonna be, oh, the market is crashing, don't buy. So you guys got to know why, the whys of that is happening, and it is, we came down a little bit compared to last year, and that may be that's why maybe you see those prices that they say, oh, the market is crashing, and we are, we got negative value now. As always, if you guys saw that other video that I put, the 5 prediction, I'm gonna put it at the end of this video for the Cape Coral market. So just go over there and check that video out. I put over there a lot of stuff talking about the interest rate, what I think is gonna happen, sales price, and the contracts and all that. Really good information. So yes, guys, that's what happening. I think if nothing else happened in the market, like if interest rates stay the same and doesn't go up, dramatically, I think this probably gonna be the bottom of the market for us. Who knows? I don't have no crystal ball, so that's my opinion. So nothing, guys. Yeah, I mean, this is what the numbers that we have. Remember, I always tell you guys that the best time is now, all the way back to maybe summertime. Peak price for you guys, or peak time for you guys to jump into the market and buy, I would say would be late April, maybe April, May, June, because that's where the media is gonna be like crazy. Oh, the market is going down. A lot of people are gonna go into panic. Maybe a lot of sellers are gonna go into panic. Who knows? Let's see what happens. What that time comes. But hey, that's my prediction. So just keep that in mind. Once we hit those days or those months, it's gonna be interesting. But good for you, buyers. A little bit not good for sellers. You got to be a little bit more aggressive of pricing your home and making sure you're making those making those repairs and cleaning and painting if you need to, so the house will look nice and be able to compete with everything else out there. So all right, guys, hope this little report will be good for you guys. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to give me a call. If you're thinking about selling or buying over here in the Cape Coral area, just hey, I'm gonna put over here all my info as always. And if you want to, just search around, go over there in the links, create an account on my website, and start searching like we do. So nothing, guys. I talk to you too in the next video.